With the help of AVEVA wiring manager, we can create cable schedule and cable list. So first of all, we have to select, go to catalog. So first, as a first step, we have to create cable catalog. So under catalogs, let's click here cables. Then some pre-filled uh, cables are coming because these are the by default cable catalogs which are stored in this Aviva module. It is coming. So we have to create as per our project specific. So let's say let's create new cable catalog. We can create cable catalog by a couple of ways. The one method is here. If we click here new, then this pop-up box will come. Here we can fill the data. So all these data we can fill. So whatever important parameters, cable parameters, we have to mention here. And there is another and easier way to create cable catalogs. Let's see. Uh, Suppose for power cables, we are going to create catalog for power cables. So let's take one example as a sample. Here, suppose this one. Here, right click, and here you will see under new copy selected. So if you click here copy selected, then then the pre-filled and populated data will come over here. So this is now copied. So whatever information uh, uh, regarding this cable, those will be copied for my new cable catalog. So we can copy from here. So whether it is power controller instrument or thermocouple cables, so we can give it as power or control, whatever maybe we can. So let's say this will be power, and here is the manufacturer. So you can select from drop down list what manufacturer you want to select. So suppose this one, and here is the catalog number. So this catalog number must be unique. This should not match with another cable catalog. So whatever maybe, suppose demo test test demo 01. Suppose I am giving a name here as a cable catalog, and here user code. So these are text only. So as per your choice, you can suppose 345. Next is coming core cable, whether it is core cable or pair cables. So like this, suppose this is core, and here number of cores. Let's say this is 3 core cable. So mention 3. Here units AWG or square mm or kcmil. So I'll select square mm. Core size, let's select. This is the this software is not for the cable sizing calculation. You have to size the cables with the help of other methods or any other software. You have to populate those data, those cable size, and the cable information whatever you are going to use in your project. So you have to opt for the cable size and fill your data. Suppose as per your calculation, this is coming 3 core 185. So let's select this one as 3 core 185 square mm. So Okay, next is coming earth core units, whether earth cable is there, whether it is armored cable or unarmored cable. Let's say it is unarmored. Voltage range you can select from the drop down list, or you can mention uh, or you can mention, suppose uh, this is low voltage cable, then 0.6 to 1 kV, let's say 0.61 kV, and the voltage range. Okay, insulation type you can mention the cable insulation from here. So suppose I will select XLP X90. Okay, insulation temperature, so this is 90 degree, and then color you can choose the color also, and description, so you can select from the drop down list, that is XLP with aluminum armored or XLP. So as per the requirement, or you can simply type here that XLP 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 PVC inner sheath, PVC outer sheath, PVC, and FRLS cable. So share the if you want to share the cable catalog with the instrumentation software, you can click, otherwise leave it. Okay, next go to design data. Design data, here the wire size, outer diameter. So these are not mandatory, field. Only one thing, you have to fill of only the important parameters. Mass is also not important, but you have to mention this, suppose conductor material, whether it is copper or aluminum. So this conductor material is important, so you have to select it. Let's say copper, so you can leave this uh, with color. Okay, before nothing is nothing else. Okay, now we can apply, and okay. Okay, now if you see here, it is coming, or just to uh, filter it out, here you can type test, because we give the name test demo. Here you can see this is power cable test demo 01. This was the cable manufacturer, 3 core 185 square cable, XLP PVC zero point 0.6 to 1 kV. So these are the details. These are the details, cable related information. AVEVA has populated all this information. So now what you can do, you have just now created one sample cable, one sample power cable only. So in this way you can create one by one cable list, or more easier way will be, if you if you export this file. If you export this file, suppose here this is export to Excel. So if you export to Excel with ID, in that case you will see it will be exported in Excel format, where the cable ID will be shown. So as per the cable ID, these cable parameters are assigned in AVEVA software module, in AVEVA wiring module. So in this way AVEVA will understand, it will find out whatever related to this particular cable ID, and this particular cable catalog, all the information AVEVA will show. So this is the first step, to create the cable catalog and to proceed further for the cable list and cable schedule. So in the next session we'll discuss about the cable list and cable schedule, and also the wiring rules, how to set the wiring rules.